In this animation, we're going to be using the app Starwalk to show you how the moon appears in the sky here in New Zealand. So we were going to show you how the phases of the moon occur. We're going to start on May the 1st, 2022 at about 12 o'clock in the afternoon to show you that the moon at this point in the sky is in the same position close to the sun. We can't see the moon in this phase because we are only looking at the shadow side of the moon. In order to see the moon, you have to look at some of the sunny side of the moon. So this phase is called the new moon phase. The moon is in the daytime sky, but we can't see it. So now we're going to move the animation forward. We're going to stay at 12 o'clock every day to show you how the moon would appear at 12 o'clock over the course of a month. So now we're going to move forward a few days. Now the moon appears to be moving backwards, of course, because this is at 12 o'clock every day. So we go back slightly and you start to see the moon gets lighter on the left side. This is the waxing crescent phase. So we are now about a week later on the 6th of May, and the moon gets lighter on the left side, which is how the moon is seen here in New Zealand. This is the waxing crescent. Move forward a few days and you can see that the moon, more of the lighted side gets visible as you move forward. We're now about 10 days later on the 10th of May, and this is the first quarter phase. So we see half of the moon's surface because we can see some of the sunny side. Now as the moon continues to move around behind the earth, notice we are in nighttime, okay, the lighted side of the moon gets bigger. This is called now the waxing gibbous phase, or a 3/4 moon. And we keep moving forward. We get the moon that everyone's familiar with. Here on about the 16th of May, this is our full moon phase. And of course we see the moon in the night sky. As you can see, we've got a black background. So we move forward. Now what will happen as the moon goes around the earth is that the shadow starts to creep across the left-hand side of the moon. So this would be the waning gibbous, or 3/4 moon, which shows the moon starting to get smaller as the shadow creeps over. Going forward again, we have the 3rd quarter moon. So this moon will be visible in the daytime sky. Again, we're still at 12 o'clock in the afternoon, so this is where you'll see it. You can see you can actually see the planets in the background. This is the positions of the planets in the sky in the month of May this year. Right, and here we are at 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and about 25th of May will be the waning crescent. So you'll only see the slither of the moon, the sunny side on the right-hand side, as the moon's shadow gets bigger. And of course, now we are back to the now we are back to the new moon phase a month later on the 29th of May, and we start all over again. And of course you can see in the daytime sky there will be some planets, but of course we won't be able to see them because they're in the daytime sky. So if we move forward, we'll go forward quicker now. So the moon gets smaller on the left, right? Then the full moon, and it gets smaller on the right. Move forward one more. You can see the shadow coming across from the left. So I beg your pardon, it gets bigger from the left, and it gets smaller from the left. And that is how the moon's phases appear in New Zealand, month after month, forever. Thank you for watching.